Advantages of prefabricated modular office buildings offer commercial solutions that meet a wide range of business and industry needs. They're faster to build, easier to install, and more efficient than traditional structures. Our prefab office buildings give you the ultimate control for customization, flexibility, and convenience. You can lease or purchase at a fraction of the cost of constructing a similar block building, as well as save up to 40% off traditional facility costs, such as construction labor costs, site development, engineering, and permits. Our modular offices are compatible with virtually any zoning requirements. One key advantage is the fact that you can have your building in use within days after it arrives on site, once all the preparations have been made. Overall, BOXX Modular offers customers complete control from blueprinting through delivery and installation when looking for an affordable solution for their business needs. Our customizable packages not only allow you to be cost effective, but also allow for certain upgrades that will make any space modern and efficient without sacrificing quality elements or features. Contact us today for more information about how we can help your business find an affordable modular office solution.